Welcome. My name is Brenda Van Nest, and I am the Upstate Outreach Representative with the Medical Society of the State of New York. We are here today to learn more about the Disability Income Protection Plan offered to Medical Society members through the Charles J. Sellers and Company Insurance Agency. Our guest today is Kate Sellers. Kate is a licensed attorney, but more importantly, for the purpose of our discussion, she is also a licensed insurance agent, chartered life underwriter, and vice president at the Sellers Agency. Welcome, Kate.
Thanks, Brenda. I'm very happy to be here.
Kate, your agency has been in business for a long time. Would you mind sharing with us some of the history of the agency?
Sure. We are a family-owned and operated agency, and I'm proud to say that we are celebrating our 100th anniversary this year in 2020. My dad and my uncle, Tom, who are still active in the business, along with three of my cousins and me, represent the third and fourth generations of ownership of our agency.
Our topic today is disability income insurance. What is a disability income policy, and why should a physician purchase such a policy?
Disability income insurance pays you a monthly benefit if you're disabled from an injury or sickness and can't perform the usual duties of your occupation. Everyone who needs their income needs disability insurance, but physicians in particular do because of the physical aspects of their occupations, which make them more susceptible to disability. Also, with the amount of time, effort, and money that a physician invests to get to the point of generating their income, protecting that ability to earn an income is crucial.
What do you feel are the most important features to understand when choosing a disability income protection policy?
Well, Brenda, the key to any disability policy is how the policy defines disability. That's what triggers the policyholder receiving benefits. It's important that the policy say essentially that it will pay benefits if the policyholder can't perform the essential duties of their own occupation and that their occupation is defined as their specialty. That's how the policy that we offer for MSSNY members works. You want to make sure that if, for example, you've spent years specializing in orthopedic surgery and you sustain a back injury where you can't stand for more than an hour at a time, when you've been performing 4-hour surgeries and you can't perform the job duties of your specialty, the policy considers you to be disabled.
What about employed physicians? Does the hospital take care of their disability insurance?
Often disability insurance is part of a compensation package, but it's often not enough coverage. We talk to physicians every day who tell us that their employer provides them with disability insurance, but they don't know how much they would actually receive if they were disabled. An employer-based policy is different than a personal policy where you buy a set dollar amount of benefit per month. An employer-based policy covers a percentage of your income, 60% or 65%, but there's also a monthly cap. And this can vary from one policy to another. It could be anywhere from $5,000 a month to $20,000 a month. We've spoken to lots of physicians who thought that they would get 60% of their income if they were disabled because they didn't know or didn't remember about that monthly cap. And when you apply it, maybe only 40% of your income is covered. And that's when you need to supplement with your own personal disability insurance, which you own and control, and you can take it with you no matter where you work.
Kate, can you tell us what additional benefit a member would be eligible for when taking out a disability protection policy from Sellers as opposed to another agency?
Brenda, what sets us apart is that we actually process the disability claims right here in our office. The claims are paid for by the insurance company, but it's our agency that's handling all the logistics and making the claims decisions subject to the insurance company's guidelines. That means if you have a disability claim, you're one of maybe 100 claims we're handling at a time, not one of thousands. And that means we can pay those claims promptly and accurately. If you have a question, you call and a human being answers the phone. There's no phone maze. And you can ask to speak with the same claims representative you've spoken with before. And that person is going to be familiar with you and your claim. And that's really important if you're disabled and you're looking for your disability check. We have testimonial letters from dozens of physicians over the years thanking us for how easy we were to work with in their time of need.
A physician may apply for a disability income protection plan through the Sellers Insurance Agency, even if they are not a medical society member. But Sellers does offer a plan that is only available to medical society members. Is that correct?
We do have a special disability insurance program that's only available to members of the medical societies we work with, like MSSNY. Generally, the rates are better, and we often find that we can offer more coverage than other programs that are out there. We can also help with life insurance, long term care, all the business insurance a medical practice needs, like property and liability coverage, workers' compensation, cyber insurance, and personal insurance, such as home, auto, and umbrella. Don't forget that umbrella coverage. All physicians should carry a generous amount of umbrella protection.
Is there anything else that you feel our members should know about products offered by your agency?
The message we always want to get out to physicians is don't wait. It's so important to get enough disability insurance while you're young and healthy. You want to cover as many scenarios as possible. And if you wait, you're probably going to develop back issues or some other health issue, and then you might not be able to get full coverage. Or in a worst case scenario, you won't be able to get coverage at all. We know physicians are incredibly busy, so we make working with us as easy as possible.
Last question. If a member would like more information about a disability income protection policy or any of your other products, how do they get in touch with your agency?
They could call us at 800 333 5440 or visit our website. We're online at sellersinsurance.com or email us insurance@sellersinsurance.com.
Kate, thank you so much for taking the time to sit with us today to discuss disability income protection policies. The Sellers Agency is an endorsed MSSNY vendor. Endorsed vendors have been reviewed and approved by MSSNY's Benefits Committee. In addition to screening each firm for you, MSSNY monitors member satisfaction to ensure that you are receiving quality services. To access information on more of MSSNY member benefits, please visit our website, msny.org. That's MSSNY.org, and check under the membership tab. Thank you for listening.